fish. Yeah, with those ingredients ready. Dry shrimp. My breakfast. Don't worry, this is olive oil. You need to mix those pieces. The dry shrimp. Okay, our garlic. Our Chinese wine, this is the best. Very good. You need to cook until yellowish. Then when you eat, it will be very perfect. Samosa. Then we can put our cabbage. We need to mix well together. Very simple. Add some water. And make the fire a little bit big. Put the oyster sauce. This is very important. The oyster sauce is very important. For me, fish sauce. Yeah. Almost done. Normally this dish here you need to put some sugar, then your dish will be very good. Sugar. The last part only we put the Chinese white rice. Very good. Last part, siêu hến chấu. Hi, I have exciting news to share with you today. This is my first sales book. What 30 years in sales finally taught me is officially live on Amazon right now. I'm so happy to finally get this into your hand. It's my 30 years of live work and my sales secret all in one place. Go and grab one on Amazon right now. I can't wait to see what you think. See you at the top. Yeah, now we try our final products. Cabbage. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Pricing is very important in this dish. Breakfast. I don't eat rice, so eat with the veggie. What you guys eat in the morning? Tell me in the